62. He gave you equation and he gave you point. This is equation for the line. What is the relation between the line and this line and the line? You need to write the equation of it. He said they are perpendicular. He said what? Write an equation in slope intercept form. يبقى here you must understand you will write the equation in slope intercept form, and also you must get the equation for the perpendicular line to the given line and pass through these point. Okay, so we need to get equation for the line perpendicular to this line. So how many lines we have? We have two lines. What is the relation between them? They are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, how do you know they are perpendicular? If the slope for the first one equal what? Equal opposite and the reciprocal for the second one. Here, M1 equal M2. It will be what? -1 over M1. So what is the M2 here? -1 over M1. Which form in this equation? This equation in standard form, because x, the term of x and the term in y in one side and the number in another side. We can't get the slope by this way. So you must write this equation as slope intercept form. How? We said y in one side. So it will be -2x minus 16 equal 8y. -8y go to the other side and 16 go to the first side. Okay, this is go to the first side by the second side by positive, and 16 go to the second side by negative. So it will be -2x minus 16 equal 8y. Now to write it as slope intercept form, the coefficient of y must be 1, but this is 8, so you must get rid of 8. Inverse the operation. How? By divided by 8, divided by 8, divided by 8. So y equal, here it will be divided by 2 equal 1, divided by 2 equal 4, x minus 16 divided by 8 equal 2. So the equation here is y equal -1/4 x minus 2. So what is the slope here? The slope is -1/4. And the y-intercept here is -2. So how can we write this? We need the slope. So M2 equal, the slope, it will be what? I said get the opposite of the sign. What is the sign here? It's negative. So what is the opposite of it? It's positive. And the reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Mean flip. So 1/4, it will be 4/1. So the slope here, it will be 4. So how can we write the equation? I said we have two ways. I choose the first way we used to do. Y equal mx plus b. Y here is, what is the point? 4 and 5. So here 5 equal m is 4 times 4 plus b. Here we can get the b. 5 equal 16 plus b. b equal 5 minus 16. So b equal -11. So the equation, it will be, what is the equation? It will be y equal mx plus b. Y, what is the slope? The slope for the new line, it will be 4. X plus b. What is the b you get? -11. You can write the equation as y equal 4x minus 11.